everybody to the next episode of Mindful Cooking with TNT. I am Talia.
And I'm Teddy. Welcome to our channel. We're going to introduce you to simple, tasty, helpful and easy recipes. We're just going to introduce chickpea curry with butternut squash and sweet potato and rice. So what we've got here: chickpea, chopped tomato, chopped green herbs, rice, butternut squash, sweet potato, onion. I already pre-chopped the garlic slightly. We're going to need 2 pots, one which I already pre-prepped. We've got bay leaves inside, allspice, and somewhere here is cardamom seeds. When we add the rice to it, you're going to have herby, spicy taste to it, which is complementary to the whole dish. So I will pass to you, and in the meantime I will do a little bit of cooking, and then I will feed you what's I've been doing, okay?
So when you are cooking and you want to remain mindful and keep yourself calm, it is important that you keep yourself to one task at a time. So if you've got your mobile phone, please put it to bed, put it to the side, keep it away from you. You can play a nice background music as we have just now, and you can light the candle as we introduce. What you are doing now is an art. It's the art of cooking. And through performing this art, you are learning to calm the mind and keep yourself really centered and tune in to your own internal power.
So as you can see, I just slicing, as Talia mentioning, I'm focusing, I have to focusing, otherwise I lose my fingers. So you can see I just slice the potato, sweet potato, quite thinly. My garlic is already in the pan, the heating up slowly, so I will just put the potato now here. All just ready for later on add to. And so here we go. Now our garlic is nicely, it's cooking gently, start getting nice gold color. When this happening, then we can add the onion. And I just put the onion, and also here we go, that's done. Don't have to be lots of onion. You can choose and pick spices what you want. You can add some fresh chili if you like a little bit more spicy. You can add some okra if somebody like. This is very good. It's got lots of antitoxin okra. It's very good to clean toxin from your body. It's in the evening after your work, casual cooking. So you see a little bit fry of the onion. I just add the butternut squash, little bit stir together, just gently, because butternut squash structure is harder than sweet potato, so then it's need a bit longer cooking. Let me just put the lid on, a little bit reduce the heat. We can put the water slowly infusing the flavor, because the hot water for the rice, when it's warming up, will add flavor. So when we slowly heating up. Okay, so now is the time to add. We just pan fry a little bit all the onion and the butternut squash. So we just put slightly to the back, and then we add all the spices. The spices is just going directly, all of them: garam masala, ginger, fennel Greek, curry powder, cumin seeds. So I'm going to add now my sweet potato. So I'm just going to add my sweet potato, and I just leave them to gently heating up and everything else. I must tell you, the smell, it's absolutely wonderful.
Amazing.
It's absolutely wonderful.
So what you do, you just sit down, stand up, and you place one hand on the lower abdomen and one on your upper abdomen, and you bring your awareness to the breath, And as you breathe in, let the breath just flow all the way down to your lower palm. And feel the breath filling your lungs. You feel the rise in your upper hand as well. And then breathe out. Let the breath just flow out naturally from the body.
But let's go back to our cooking, because
Water is boiling. They are boiling.
smell. Don't go directly on the, just take hands and woof the steam over your face, so you don't burn yourself, but you've got the smell of this one.
Amazing.
I already add the
Chickpeas.
chickpea, that one.
And what about the rice? So we had it.
The rice can go in now, yes. So we wash already the rice, and I'm just going.
So do you put it on high or medium now that the water boils?
Now I reduce the heat to the medium, yes.
And for how long do we put the rice in?
12 to 14 minutes, it's not going to take as long. When it's finished cooking, I will put on the colander and I will strain that. But, very important, do not rinse that rice. So here we go, we're going nice. Butternut squash getting softer and softer. Okay, here we go. That's our butternut squash chickpea all together. This is softened up, it's very soft. You can feel how it's breaking up soon when you just gently touch. Now I'm going to add, I've got bowling bowl as you can see, because this one is quite full.
This is chopped with tomatoes.
Just chopped tomato from tin, bought from ready. As you can see, it's not as red because it's just one tin tomato added in. I also have already, as you can see, chopped parsley, coriander. And what I did, leaves of parsley and this one I've got here for later, just sprinkle on top. Here I've got the stalks, so I can add the stalks now because they're a little bit harder and nobody really likes them, but they got value of nutrition. They are tasty, so I just add the stalks to it and let them cook off. So I'm just going to have a little taste. What's this like?
Yeah.
So I can add just a little bit pepper, and that's need quite a bit of salt. And I just leave this one to infuse each other, all the flavors. So as you can see, I already drained the rice. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take a spoon. We just have our serving spoon. You see, it's fluffy. It's not sticky or heavy rice or anything like this. Here we go. That's our dish of the day. We're just going some little bit fresh herbs just on top. That can be served with naan bread. You can buy some poppadoms and just add to it.
And as you can see, it was easy, it was healthy, and it is delicious. And if we can do it,
you can do it too. Shall we have our taste?
Absolutely.
I must tell you, it's all smell absolutely delicious.
As I
Smell
said,
nice. It's the fresh herbs. You can't beat fresh herbs in cooking with it.
as I said, I wish the smell could have been passed to you through the video.
I enjoy the flavor. You've got Indian flavor cuisine in it, and the fresh coriander just nicely finishing all off. And the rice infused with these herbs, its combination worked very, very well.
And it's not too spicy, so the spices didn't take over, because I can still feel the sweet potato, I can feel the chickpeas and the vegetables, so the spices didn't control.
It's just the right amount, that's very important. It's better to add less than too much, because when you add too much you can ruin, particularly when you're dealing with Indian spices. So just adding less, it contributes nicely, You will eat and enjoy it. Too much cumin and it's becoming bitter, then it's just ruined the dish. So enjoy.
See you next time.
Bye bye.